This is called splitting perennials. And perennials are a plant that comes back every year. The roots stay in the ground and then they reform from that in the spring. If I was just moving these, I went and loosened these in advance. If I just wanted to move these tiger lilies, I would simply go and pick them up like this, move them to a new location, and because there's very minimal damage to the roots, they would grow fairly normally this year. But by splitting them, because this is getting too dense, I am going to do some root damage. When you split perennials, there's kind of a 3-year phase they tend to go through. The first year they sleep, so it's they sleep, they creep, and then they leap. And in the first year they sleep because once you've split them, the roots are reforming. In the second year they creep, so you get new green shoots that are coming out, and then in the third year they leap. You get the growth going up and then the orange flowers that are expected. So what I'm looking for here is a natural divide between the plant, and then I'm going to try to push down in one strong motion to go and split the root cleanly without doing too much damage to the plant. And this now allows me to have a couple of different spots where I can reform. You can see where some of the damage occurred to the tubers, but lots of them are in really good shape. And in some cases, there's ones I'm going to be able to naturally loosen here, which allows a whole new plant to form. And then in some cases, they might be too densely packed together, and I don't want to do any more damage. So I'll now bring this over to the hole here and be able to plant it in and put in some good soil. This one I'd have to dig down a little bit better. And then these could be used to go into a much smaller area of the garden. You can see where the nutrients are all kept in this part of the root, and I've managed to keep most of these little root hairs here, which means that this plant will do fairly well this year, but then we will see it sleep the first year, creep the second year, and then leap up into a full tiger lily perennial in the third year.